Never do these things in a brand new car. Ignoring the break-in period. Most new cars have a recommended break-in period, usually the first 1,000 miles, during which you should avoid heavy accelerations to help seat engine components properly. Revving cold engine. Allow the engine to warm up for a few minutes while driving, before putting too much strain on it, especially in cold weather. Using the wrong fuel. Gasoline with a high octane rating is more difficult to ignite, which helps prevent pre-ignition and knocking in high-performance engines. If your car requires premium gas, do not use regular. It will damage the pistons, valves, or spark plugs. Also, never ever use gasoline in diesel car or vice versa. The fuel pump and fuel injectors fail. Due to gasoline's inability to function as a lubricant, the engine will eventually stop running entirely, requiring substantial repair or replacement. Parking the car outside. Extreme heat and cold weather can take a toll on your car and its battery. Sun, UV radiation. Heavy rain or hail can also damage cars' exterior and interior. Whenever possible, park your car in a garage. Harsh braking. Harsh braking and aggressive driving habits can cause unnecessary wear and tear on the car's brakes, transmission, and engine. Neglecting the owner's manual. Familiarize yourself with your car's manual to understand its specific maintenance requirements and any unique instructions for your vehicle. Using the wrong cleaning products. Use car-specific cleaning products and microfiber towels to avoid damaging the car's paint, dashboard, and other surfaces. Let your fuel get low. This is something that you don't really want to do with any car. The reasoning behind this logic is that if you let your fuel get to low, sediment particles could get sucked up from the bottom of gas tank. This can cause issues with car's fuel pump and fuel filter. Not checking engine oil level. If you don't check your oil level and change it as needed, the oil can become dirty and less effective at protecting the engine. Engine oil also helps dissipate heat generated by the engine. Low oil levels can result in inadequate heat dissipation, leading to engine overheating, which can cause further damage and potentially result in a breakdown. Drive short distances. Driving short distances daily can be bad for your car. This is because the engine doesn't have enough time to warm up properly and can cause more wear on your new engine. Using random cheap oil. Always read the manual and choose the right oil for car's engine. The price difference is not worth for a risk to damage the engine using cheap and wrong oil. Better is to spend a little bit more for quality oil. Fully charging your electric car. Lithium-ion batteries, which are commonly used in electric cars, tend to degrade faster when they are consistently charged to their maximum capacity. Charging to 100% and keeping the battery at a high state of charge for extended periods can accelerate wear and tear, reducing the battery's overall lifespan. Electric vehicles often use regenerative braking, which converts kinetic energy back into electrical energy to recharge the battery. If the battery is already at 100%, there's nowhere for this excess energy to go, potentially leading to inefficiency and heat generation. It is also not a good idea to let your car battery fully discharge either. Lithium-ion batteries' lifespan can be damaged by allowing them to fully discharge. That's why it is recommended to keep lithium-ion batteries between 50 to 80% charge, to have them last as long as possible. We've covered a wide range of topics, from oil changes to interior care, and everything in between. Remember, maintaining your vehicle not only keeps it running smoothly, but also ensures your safety on the road. If you found this video helpful, entertaining, or insightful, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss our latest content. Thank you for watching this video, and being a part of our YouTube family. Enjoy your awesome new car. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in my next video for more car-tastic fun.